What up, y'all? I'm Bokeh Bob, and today we're unboxing the MCHOSE GX87. I think that's how you pronounce it. And checking out what's included and hearing how it sounds. This is a pre-built budget 10 keyless keyboard that is gasket mounted, has a tri-mode PCB, multiple layers of foam, double shot PBT keycaps, and of course, all the RGB one needs. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear this keyboard was sent to me for review from Final Key Studio. I'll put my affiliate link in the description below. However, all opinions are my own and from my experiences using the keyboard. If you're interested in buying the keyboard, I would love for you to use my affiliate link. If not, do as you please. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. It greatly helps my channel and allows me to bring more reviews like these to you in the future. If you're new here, I like to make these reviews straight and to the point, not much fluff, to help you make an informed decision on your purchase. Let's jump right into it, unbox it, see how it sounds, and I'll give you a quick review and recommendation. First, when you open the box, we have a quick start guide and a user guide. We also have a dust cover, which I believe some people use, but I just chuck them. And then, of course, you have the keyboard itself. Here I have the white variant. Under the keyboard, we have the accessories box, which includes a generic USB cable to connect the keyboard to your PC, 2 extra switches, and of course a keycap and switch puller combo tool. Now, let's jump into a sound test, and as always, we can discuss the keyboard on the back end. Enjoy. It's good to get a pre-built keyboard that isn't a 75% for a change. I feel like every one of these pre-builts I've been getting lately are 75%. And if you didn't know, I really don't like 75%. Sorry if you like them. I think it's a horrible layout. Moving on, this is yet another great option in the pre-built custom keyboard category. That would be a better option than any of the big box brands in my opinion, such as Logitech, Razer, or Corsair. Right out of the box, this keyboard sounds great. Doesn't have any crap sounds, and the stabilizers on this review unit were actually flawless. What more could you want from a pre-built keyboard? At the time of this video, the GX87 starts at $129 from Final Key Studio. However, keep in mind you could probably find it elsewhere for different prices, shall I say. But anyway, let's get into it. It has several different color options, which include black, white, blue, and silver, shown here. As far as the switch options, you have 4 different choices. They include the KTT Fog Blue, the Hawano Matcha Latte V2, the TTC Blaze Orange, and the Kale Ice Cream switch. All of which are linear options, I believe. At least I couldn't find anything different. and they're made up of different switch materials and spring weights, so choose as you please. Now, let's jump into what I think the perks and the quirks are. When we look at the board, we see that it's a very minimalist style keyboard that has good quality ammo, and overall it's a solid keyboard that has some pretty good heft to it. One of the biggest perks, I believe, is the quick release top case. However, keep in mind, I've seen some floating around with the quick release top case and some without. This one here does not have the quick release top case, so I was pretty disappointed. I couldn't find anywhere in any advertisements for this keyboard to which ones have it and which ones don't. So if you know that, let us know in the comments. If not, be advised, some of them have it, some of them don't. It's confusing. I was confused myself. I was like, what the heck? Other than that, I'll just say it's pretty much your run-of-the-mill budget pre-built keyboard, except it's a TKL. Nothing specific stands out to me besides the quick release that I've mentioned, which seems to come in some boards and some in not. I don't know. I'm confused about that again. This leads to the quirks. Is a common quirk of most of these budget pre-built keyboards is they use their own software. Nobody in this price range is adopting VIA or VIAL, or very minimal manufacturers are, which is something they could really actually do and get ahead of some of the other budget options, in my opinion. It should be top priority, in my opinion. Hey, that's just me, right? Moving on. Nobody wants to download this bloatware or another program to reprogram that keyboard. The ease of use and functionality is also great with both VIA and VIAL. They're really easy to use. Other than that quirk, there's really nothing specifically that stood out to me in terms of throwing this keyboard off. The keyboard comes with a 1.2 millimeter PCB, flex cut plate, and loads of foam, just like any of the other budget pre-builts. So if you like that sound signature, go for it. If you're looking for a no foam sound signature, I don't think this board is going to be for you. What do you want to see integrated into budget pre-built keyboards? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, I think the GX87 is a solid pre-built. If you're specifically looking to buy this board, I would recommend it. But be wary, you're not going to be able to use VIA or VIAL, and you have to download its specific program to change anything on the board. And if you wanted to take out foam, the board has a 1.2 millimeter flex cut PCB and plate, so it'll most likely not sound good without any foam. If you're generally window shopping and are up for checking out other boards, I would recommend the Neo 80 if you're looking for a full custom budget TKL. However, if you want a pre-built option where you can just take it out of the box and use it, the GX87 is a great option for the specific TKL layout, especially for it being full aluminum. What other budget TKLs would y'all recommend? Specifically aluminum ones. They're hard to come by. Let me know in the comments below. As always, check out some of my content here. Make sure you like and subscribe. And most importantly, have a good rest of your week. Pokebob out.